Welcome to Grackle Docs, offering the best solution for your personalized digital accessibility training. We tailor our programs to meet the unique needs of your organization, working closely with your team to ensure that your accessibility goals are met without disrupting your workflow. We start by getting to know your specific accessibility challenges and objectives. Whether your focus is creating accessible documents, improving team collaboration, or ensuring compliance with standards like WCAG or PDF UA, our training is customized to align with your organization's goals. We know that schedules can be tight. That's why Grackle Training offers flexible scheduling options, making it easy to find a time that works best for your team. Our training sessions are designed to fit seamlessly into your busy workday, ensuring minimal disruption. Our sessions are hands-on and interactive. Your team will have the opportunity to practice in real-world scenarios, gaining practical experience and confidence in applying what they've learned. Our expert trainers are not only specialists in digital accessibility, but also highly knowledgeable about Grackle Docs. They'll guide your team through the training, answering questions, offering advice, and providing the skills needed to excel with accessibility tools. Grackle Training covers a wide range of targeted topics, including accessibility fundamentals, advanced Grackle Docs features, document remediation techniques, and compliance with accessibility standards like WCAG and PDF UA. We'll also share advanced tips to help your team maximize productivity. After the training, we continue to support your team with ongoing assistance, ensuring they have everything they need to succeed. Let Grackle Training empower your organization to create accessible, compliant content effortlessly. Ready to get started? Let us guide you to digital compliance. Find us at grackledocs.com or email us at info@grackledocs.com today.